Alright, what's up guys? So, got another tool unboxing. It is the Ryobi One Plus vacuum. It's model number P7131. As you can see, I've got this table saw here. Just did an unboxing on that actually and was messing around with it. So I made a little bit of a mess. So I figured what better time than to unbox and review this new vacuum I got, see what it does in kind of real world application. I got it for basically stuff like this. I've got a shop vac and several Dysons and stuff already, but for little stuff like this, I don't really want to drag them out or get the Dysons, tore up from just wood scraps and everything. So let's unbox it, see what's in there. Got the zip snip. Check it out. All right. And not much in here actually. There is the vacuum itself, instructions, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get a better look at this guy. It's really compact, has a quality feel to it. This was actually a factory blemish model, I think they call it, on Tool Direct. So I only paid $15 for it. But I don't see any blemishes on it. A little bit of a scruff there maybe, but here's a little crevice tool. Little brushes pop out. I like that. And then that just slides there. And I guess, yeah, it can just fit on to there just like that. It's neat. All right, let's put a battery in this and see how it goes. Got the 3 amp hour HP battery I'm going to be using. Here is all the table shavings and everything. So let's see how it does. Let's start with this stuff. Wow, collected quite a bit actually in just that short little period. So that is it. That's a quick and dirty unboxing and review of this Ryobi P7131 18-volt battery.